Hey everybody, thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. For today's video, I'm so excited for it because I think it's going to be extremely helpful. I'm going to be sharing with you guys a skincare starter kit. That is under $150. I felt like that was a fair kind of price point to put it at, just because skincare can be extremely expensive. Some people's skincare routines are like $1,000 and up. What I did for the starter kit is just strip down to products I think are the most beneficial in your skincare routine and are just really the simplest steps for beginners. Obviously, everyone has different skin types. It's not really going to work towards every single person. Obviously, more mature skin, you might want extra creams in your routine, and if you have super young skin, really all you need is a moisturizer. So I'm going to be showing you guys my favorites, what I recommend. For someone who's just starting out with skincare and wants to add a little extra steps to their routine, then this video is for you. Before we hop on into it, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you enjoy it, and if you'd like to know what products are in my starter kit, then please just keep watching. First little basic you need are some cotton pads. These are like $3, so cheap, but you definitely need them if you're going to be using all of these products. Other than that, your hands are your best tools sometimes. I'm not going to be showing any special gadgets or tools or anything like that. Hands and cotton pads. That's all you need. So if you are a makeup wearer like I am, then you're definitely going to need a makeup remover in your skincare routine. The one I'm going to recommend is from Garnier. It is their micellar water. So this is about $9. I'm not going to mention every single price. I will pop it up on the screen as I go. You get so many uses out of this. It says you have 200 usages out of this. I believe that because this takes me a while to go through. They also have mini sizes if you want to start out with that. You don't wear a ton of makeup, but you still want to try this product out. In comparison to makeup wipes you can basically get 10 a pack for $10. One wipe is only good for one use, and it usually doesn't get all of your makeup off. A micellar water like this gets all of your makeup off and works so much better in my opinion. Makeup wipes are nice if you just want to quickly take your makeup off and are on the go, but if you want to be on a budget, this is your go-to. This one is for normal and sensitive skin. I believe they have other types, but this one's really gentle on the skin and it works amazing. One product that I 100% recommend in your skincare routine is a cleanser. And funny enough that I say this because I'm pretty sure I forgot to mention my cleanser in my skincare routine, but anyways, I'm mentioning it now. This is the one I'm going to recommend. So it is from Fresh and it is their soy face cleanser. This one is the most priciest item that I own, but it's also been my favorite cleanser that I've ever tried. Cleansers for me are kind of hard to come by. Ones that work for my skin and are also gentle on it and clean out all of my makeup and dirt. So I finally found my favorite. It's a very, very gentle cleanser, and after you take your makeup off with your makeup remover, your cleanser ensures that all of your leftover makeup is off of your face and all the dirts and oils and all the stuff your skin doesn't need. It takes it out. And this one also says it's meant for all skin types, and all you need to do is just wet your face, put some cleanser in your hand, and rub it on your skin for 30 seconds to a minute. I believe is the best time frame for a cleanser. I usually do 30 seconds or a little bit longer, and then I move on to my next step. This next step in my skincare routine is my favorite step of all time. I've always loved using a toner for my face. For me, toner is one of the important steps in my skincare routine. One of the steps that I personally think is one of the more important ones. After I use toner, makes my skin so extremely clean. Even after taking off my makeup and cleansing my skin, this just takes every little bit out. It also gently exfoliates your face and gives you that extra step to super clean skin. So these are my favorites. Biotherm has one that is also one of my favorites. I love that one, and I believe that one's actually the same price as this full-size one as well. But anyways, these are the Pixie tonics. This one is the vitamin C tonic. I use it in the morning, and then this one is their glow tonic, which I use every single night. And then I also really love their rose tonic. I kind of feel like they all sort of work the same, but they kind of have different aspects to it. Like the glow tonic says it's an exfoliating toner, and then the vitamin C one says it's a brightening one. I find that they all just kind of work the same. I have these mini ones. They also have full size of this, but yeah, toners are a must for me. They just make my skin perfectly clean. I'm obsessed with them. I think that they are a must-have. Speaking of must-haves, You need a moisturizer in your skincare routine. Everyone needs moisturizer, even if you have oily skin. You need to nourish and hydrate your skin. Moisturizer keeps your skin looking young, radiant, it protects your skin. This is really annoying, I don't know why I'm doing that. So the one I'm going to share today is from Biotherm. They have the same moisturizer in 4 different skin types. The one I use is the Aqua Glow, because I have dry skin and it really illuminates my skin and gives it extra hydration. This is the one my husband uses. It is the Pure. I can't remember what this one is for, but it's probably for oily skin because that's what he has. And then this is the Bounce one. I haven't used it yet. Another moisturizer I really love is the Clinique Moisture Gel. I've gone through like 5 or more bottles of that. It's a really good one to start off with if you're starting to use moisturizers and skincare. It's the one that I first started using. It's the one my mom first started using, and she's the one that recommended it to me. It's a really, really good one, and it's also nice and affordable for the size you get. You can also get different sizes of that one, so whichever one you want to choose. The last product I'm going to mention are sheet masks. So I think it is important to mask at least twice a week. It's good to treat your skin a little bit extra certain days, and I'm going to mention sheet masks specifically because they can be around $3 to $5 to $8. They're really cheap for one. And I'm also mentioning sheet masks because you can basically get one to fit your skin's needs. These are the Pixi Glow Boost sheet masks, and I'm not really mentioning this one specifically to get, it's just one that I could grab right now, but I use different sheet masks all the time. I also use peel off mask and mud masks, but those can really gear towards a specific skin type, and I wanted to try my best to incorporate all skin types in this video. So I'm mentioning these, and these also fit the budget as well. Okay guys, that is it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I just want to show you the basic skincare items that you really need in your skincare routine if you're going to start off using some skincare. Once you start adding eye creams, serums, exfoliators, it just gets to be a lot, and sometimes it can be just too much for your skin, especially if you're just going to be starting out. So I thought I would wipe those away from today's video, show you the basics and what I think are good products to start out with. If you want me to talk about maybe body products next and kind of a body product starter kit, I'd be happy to do that as well. But please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!